Trader, that's it, baby. 12, we got it at 585 puts. The low was 842, the $9 entry, which is slightly off of the low, not a bad. Here is a hourly reversal of the SPY right here. You can see that come straight down. That's the low. It hit the major support level. What it did is, if I draw a trend line easily enough right here, that was the low end of the gap right there, trader. Not only that, once again, as it's live, we busted it through here. Yes, we did. And the reason why we're looking at the hourly decline is because we can see it clearly with our indicators. Not only that, we purchased the 585. Big gains on the 585 puts. Once again, we have so many services and we really care about you, and we care about you getting in. That's what we care about, is that you're getting the right shake of it and which way the trend is going. And we can see that reversal on that 60-minute level. I'm going to conclude the SPY 585 puts on a Friday, late October Friday, fall period.